Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Runnen or Runnen MC. I live in Norway on the west coast, and right now I'm in a place called Helle, H-E-L-L-E. It's in Naustdal, the municipality of Naustdal. It's about a 30-minute drive from here to where I live in Forde, which is a small town about 3 hours drive north of Bergen. And I thought that I'd show you some of these views. I hope the camera catches this beautiful nature and all the colors. Today has been a really warm day. We've had 33.5 Celsius, and that's really warm for Norway. I've heard people getting heat strokes and going to the hospital, so it's warm, really warm. So it's quite nice, and now it's late in the evening, so still warm. If you are English speaking, or if you're not Norwegian speaking or Scandinavian, you've probably never seen one of my videos. I mostly do them in Norwegian so far, and I thought that I'd try this one in English for obvious reasons. It's great to share with everyone, so why not? So I'm driving a Honda CB900 Hornet. It's a 2002 model, so it's an old bike, but it's in great condition. In the US, I think it's called the Honda 919. It's quite great bike to drive. Very narrow roads here, and I can't see past the turns, so there may come a car. I have to be a little bit careful. What you see down there is Forde fjorden. It's a fjord, and in the bottom of this fjord is my town, my hometown, Forde. I really wish I had a 360 camera right now, so I could capture all of this. Maybe I will get one. It's on my wish list. So I have I've got another bike. It's a CRF 250L. It's a 2018 model, so it's quite new. Right now we're in late July 2019, so if you watch this in the future, it's good to know. Now I'm soon back on the main road, but the main road is not much wider than this one, so quite narrow roads here along the fjord. The mountain is gorgeous, huh? That snow you see up there, it's always there. It's never melted. Cars. Okay. Back on the main road. So here there's a local guy around here. He's got a mountain cabin, no electricity, no water, no toilet inside. It's just a small cabin. I think there's room for 4 beds, and he put it out on Airbnb, and he quickly became a super host. Especially Americans loves to stay there, enjoying a great view. It's up in the mountains, so I think there's about 45-minute walk from where you park your car. So it used to be somewhere in many years ago where they lived with their cows and sheep on summers, and now it's just for recreational use. So it's great to see that someone enjoys something like that, the simple stuff. Look at this view. Oh, trying not to turn my head to the road. It's kind of hard. It's great to be out on the motorcycle now. It's so warm. Been in the sun and bathing all day, so I've had lots of chances to cool down, but riding my motorcycle is something else. It's just fantastic. So we're getting closer to Naustdal. See, it's a more populated area. You can get a better view of the fjord. I think there's about 3,000 people living in Naustdal. 13 kilometers from Forde. So I've got about 10 minutes till I'm back home. Sadly, I never want to end a ride. I always just want to continue. The area over there is called Sanden, or the sand. It's a beach area. That's one of the places where I cooled down today. Great place. At least the road is a little bit wider here. Great place to be riding. There's the Forde sign. If you like motorcycling and want to see great nature, I could recommend coming here. It's quite alright. a lot of places, beautiful places here in Norway, especially on the west coast. And we have these twisty roads, a lot of them. Only problem is the speed limits are very low. So, and speeding tickets are really expensive, so you have to be a little bit careful. Getting closer to Forde now. This place is called Naustdal. You can see it on the sign there. So now you can see Forde, or parts of Forde. Still sun, and it's 9:10 in the evening. So I started vlogging this year, and the first vlog I made, I think it was late in February, you know, the second month of the year. So the winter let go quite early. And it was possible to be making a few moments on the vlog. I was of course riding the CRF. I couldn't go very high up in the mountains then because snow, of course. So, but I've had a long season. Now we are in Forde with all the shopping centers. You can go down the main street. So on the top of that white building, that's an apartment building, the 3 upper floors. On the roof there's this really nice garden, I guess I should call it, with a swimming pool. The apartments are insanely expensive. Apartments in Norway generally are expensive, or houses. So those ones are just crazy expensive. I saw one new building in Forde where they're gonna make apartments. I think the most expensive ones are 9.7 million. So a Norwegian 9.7 Norwegian. That's about 970,000 euros. So I would think it's about $1 million American dollars, something like that. That's a lot. I'm glad I bought my house a while ago. So now we are in Forde, and I think it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to make more English content for the future. Please subscribe and like the video, comment. So goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.